Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best quilt templates is probably one of the most essential tools for any quilter, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. These templates can help you achieve precise cuts, consistent shapes, and intricate designs with ease. In this video, we'll dive into the world of quilt templates, exploring different types, materials, and how to choose the perfect ones for your next quilting project. Number 5. Quilting Ruler 12.5 by 12.5 Slotted Rulers. This quilting ruler is made of high clear transparent acrylic. It features double color sight lines and large print numbers, making it easy to see on both light and dark fabrics. The clear acrylic allows you to see through for precise cutting. This ruler helps you square up blocks up to 12 inches. It's designed with 26 grooves for the blade, spaced every 1-2 inch. This saves time and makes your fabric cuts more even and accurate. With this ruler, you can quickly and easily cut binding, squares, triangles, diamonds, trapezoids, and parallelograms. The 45 and 60-degree angles make it simple to create various shapes. The ruler dimensions are 15 inches by 13 inches. It also comes with non-slip, self-adhesive silicone grips. These grips help prevent the ruler from slipping while using a rotary cutter, ensuring safer and more accurate cuts. If the product arrives damaged, please contact us. We are here to provide a reasonable solution to address any issues you may encounter. What we like. This ruler's design includes grooves for the blade, saving you time and ensuring even cuts. It also features 45 and 60-degree angles for cutting various shapes. If you are looking for a tool to speed up your quilting process while maintaining accuracy and versatility, this is the one for you. What people say. The markings are clear and easy to read, and the slots make cutting fabric strips and squares incredibly precise and efficient. Very easy to square things up and cut 2.5-inch strips. You can line up the fabric and cut multiple layers of strips fast and easy. Perfect for straight lines. Number 4. Mr. Penn Sewing Ruler 3-Pack. Introducing the Mr. Penn Sewing Ruler 3-Pack. This set includes 3 rulers, perfect for all your sewing and crafting needs. The set comes with rulers in 6-inch, 12-inch, and 17-inch sizes. This variety ensures you have the right tool for any project. These rulers feature clear and precise markings. Both inch and metric units are included, offering versatility for any measurement. Made from robust, flexible plastic, they are designed to last. The material is gentle on fabrics while withstanding frequent use. The transparent design makes it easy to see the material underneath. This is especially helpful when working with patterns or making adjustments. Suitable for tailoring, quilting, pattern drafting, and crafts. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, it's a valuable tool. What we like. This set offers 3 different ruler sizes to cover all your measuring needs. The clear markings and durable material make it a reliable choice for any project. If you are a beginner or a seasoned crafter looking for a versatile and durable set of rulers, this is a great choice. What people say. The templates are easy to use and the instructions are clear. The templates are well made and durable. The designs are beautiful and the finished quilts look amazing. Number 3. Quilting Rulers Set. Introducing the Quilting Rulers Set. This set includes 5 square quilting rulers to meet all your patchwork needs. They are designed to make your quilting projects easier. Remember to remove the protective film for clear number visibility. If the numbers appear backward, simply flip it over. This ensures you can easily see the measurements. The set includes rulers in various sizes, 3.5, 5, 8, 10, and 12.5 inches. Non-slip rings keep the templates in place, ensuring accurate cuts every time. Made from high-quality, 0.3 mm thick acrylic, these rulers are built to last. The hanging hole makes storage simple, keeping your workspace tidy. These rulers are perfect for both beginners and experienced quilters. The 2-color scales make them easy to use on any fabric. It's a versatile tool for all your projects. It's not just for quilting. You can use it for sewing, scrapbooking, and paper crafting. This versatile tool will be a great addition to your crafting supplies. What we like. This set includes 5 different square rulers to meet all your patchwork needs. The non-slip rings keep the templates in place for accurate cutting. If you have a variety of quilting projects and need a set that offers both precision and durability, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect for cutting squares and straight lines. The non-slip circles keep the ruler in place while cutting so you don't end up with a wonky cut. Great selection of rulers for making patchwork quilts. These are easy to read and pretty accurate. Well made and not too heavy. The bright teal numbers make it easy to use. Number 2. Shape by Shape Quilting with Angela Walters. Welcome to Shape by Shape, where you'll learn the art of free motion quilting. This guide is packed with over 70 designs to enhance your quilting projects. Discover a wide variety of designs perfect for quilting blocks. It provides detailed instructions and inspiration to elevate your quilting skills. Learn how to create stunning backgrounds and borders with ease. The book offers techniques to add depth and dimension to your quilts. Angela Walters shares her expertise and passion for quilting. She guides you through each design, making it accessible for quilters of all levels. With Shape by Shape, you'll unlock your creative potential. This book is your key to beautiful and intricate free motion quilting. What we like. This book offers over 70 designs for free motion quilting, covering blocks, backgrounds, and borders. It's perfect for those looking to expand their quilting repertoire. If you are looking to learn and master free motion quilting, this is a must-have resource. What people say. This book contains pages and pages of quilting designs with clear directions of how to move your needle and fabric to achieve the pattern. This book has lovely patterns and great ways to use them on many different shapes. The designs are broken down into small areas, which makes it a perfect way to practice these designs. Number 1. Acrylic Quilting Templates for DIY Patchwork. Are you a DIY enthusiast? This quilting template set is perfect for you. It allows you to create beautiful patchwork fabrics and explore your creativity. This set offers a variety of shapes to choose from. Each template helps you cut fabric quickly, giving you different shapes for your projects. Use the cutting ruler to cut fabrics in various styles. They can be easily sewn together to create square shapes, allowing you to personalize your crafts. The quilt ruler, when assembled, measures about 9 by 9 inches. Each part is unique, and the templates can be combined in any way you like, making it convenient and easy to use. These sewing rulers are made of clear acrylic, which is durable and easy to see through. This helps you control the fabric easily, increasing your cutting efficiency. What we like. This set is ideal for DIY enthusiasts, offering various shapes to create unique patchwork fabrics. The clear acrylic material ensures easy control over fabric cutting. If you like creating your own style of crafts and are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use template set, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use. Works very well. Those who say it does not fit together do not understand how to use a quilt ruler like this. Love this template. Makes crazy quilt block so easy. Some reviews said they are cloudy, they have a very tight film on them, remove it. Other reviews say they don't fit together. It is not a puzzle, it is a template with 1/4 seam allowance. The pieces sew together perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.